Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And today's video is going to be about what are the first few steps you can take in order to achieve a good rank in JEE, NEET or any other competitive exams in mostly science field, but yeah, it applies to other fields too. So yeah, let's get started. The first most important thing is to choose your stream wisely. I personally have seen three kinds of people who come to science for writing competitive exams in India. First ones are the ones who are focused on writing JEE and properly going into engineering. The second ones are people who are focused on writing NEET and get into medicine. And the third people are those people who are confused, and I was one of them. So I ended up taking bio and maths together. Now I'll tell you why it was a bad decision for me or a good decision for me. It was a good decision because math really helped me in physics, and it was a bad decision because I spent a lot of time on math, and that time I could have utilized to do many other things which were more helpful for NEET. So only if you're extremely confused, take biomath, or else I wouldn't suggest it. If you are a person who's determined to do only medicine, then take bio with any non-math subject and just do the basic math you require for physics like calculus, trigonometry, etc. that you can cover easily in any summer holiday of yours. So that's it about the people who are focused on medicine. Now for JEE, I would suggest take a subject which is light, and when I'm focusing on my school, especially NMS, then if you were if you're completely interested in economics or bio, then take those subjects, or else I'd suggest take CS or EG, which will be more helpful and easier for engineering students to focus on JEE. So that's about choosing your stream. Let's come to when do we start preparing. If you're a person who wants top rank like AIR 1 or something like that, then you should be preparing right from ninth grade, because you need to have your concept strong so that in 11th and 12th you can spend some time to do more questions and completely get the grip over the three subjects you're focusing on. But if you just want to score a decent score and get into a decent government medical college or into any good NIT or IIT, then you don't really have to do much from ninth grade. Just be consistent in your studies, and in 11th grade, start focusing every day and start from day one. That's all you have to do. Now the third dilemma mostly people face is, do we need to take coaching? What from my experience, I took FITGI in 11th and 12th. I did not take it from ninth grade, and honestly, it's fine if you don't take it from ninth grade too, because all your major concepts are covered in 11th and 12th. So I feel that YouTube has become competent enough to teach you the theory part, right? All you need coaching for is to clear your doubts, because 90% of your marks come from when you ask doubts and get them cleared. So if you have that one person who can clear your doubts for all the three subjects, I don't really think you need coaching. You can just cover all the syllabus either from your school or from YouTube. YouTube is actually pretty good. I've seen Vedantu and Unacademy. Just subscribe to Unacademy Plus, my god. Yeah, so that's it. Fourth thing you should remember is your approach towards the subjects. Your main goal should always be understanding the concepts. Once you get the concept very well, you can solve any kind of questions because you're capable enough to apply whatever you know. So the more you solve questions, the more questions you're exposed to, you solve the questions at a quicker rate. But when you understand the concept, you're capable of solving any kind of question, to be honest. You don't have to study any extra material for that. So for that, what you have to do is start from day one. So when you get into 11th or probably 9th if you're an overachiever, so whenever you get into 11th, the first day of school, if they covered one topic, then go home, clear the concept, watch videos, just somehow just get done with that topic on that day so that it doesn't get postponed. For you to understand the concept that well, the fifth thing you have to remember is to attend your classes. I know कि bunk करना cool है, ये है वो है, but यार, attend your classes and be attentive in them. You don't really have to study anything at home if you're attentive enough in class. And I've seen that because I do a lot of things apart from my studies, and I've seen people ask me, how do you take out the time to do these things? The only thing is that I manage my time well. जो मैं काम कर रही हूँ उस time पे, I do only that work. So in class I study, and at home I take out time to do everything else I'm interested in. So yeah, attend classes, attend extra classes or stay backs if you're in any coaching, and yeah, pay attention in class. That's it. That's all you have to do. That doesn't mean कि class में तुम मजे मत करो, कर लो यार, time मिल जाता है, but just make sure कि whatever they're teaching in class you understand it the same day. Now you've got the concept. What do you have to do next? You just have to practice questions. When you practice questions, you can do them at a faster rate. So exam में, competitive exams में, timing is a key. So if you have to do questions fastly, it's important that you're exposed to like many kinds of questions. So if you are able to, then just finish off the questions for that particular topic on the same day, or else at the end of the week. I'm telling you, this will save a lot of time in the long run, and just before the exam तुम्हें stress नहीं होगा कि तुमने ये questions नहीं किए or you have missed out on any topic. So yeah guys, that's it about for this video, but I'll be coming up with a more detailed video on various subtopics in JEE NEET preparation, mainly focusing on the kind of books you need and time management, and I'll also be sharing with you my schedule in 11th and 12th or 9th and 10th, whichever you request for. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you.